Hey guys, it's Tech Things here, and today we'll be looking at my setup for this year and probably going on to next year. And I know I made a video in the summer about like my 2018 gaming setup, but it's changed a lot since then. So yeah, let's get right into it. Walk into my room. Here's my second desk, and it's messy. I don't know what it is. I have this monitor on the ground. Yeah, so this is where I do most of my Raspberry Pi stuff, and this is like a Pepsi pencil case. Bop. Alright, oh, everything just fell. Oh my god. This is a fail. Alright. Yeah, so this is everything here. Batteries, a book, Python and everything. So that's my Raspberry Pi stuff. Here's my Mac, I edit on this. There's my Apple Pencil, just because I'm recording with my iPad, because I said I would. It's my old iPad, destroyed. Bop. Alright, cable management, horrible. So here's my desk setup, two 27-inch monitors. This is my Dell 4K monitor I made a video on. There's another 27-inch, and there's a vertical monitor. So there's a view of my desk. It's pretty good. So here I have the Inland. I forgot exactly what model it was. Corsair mouse, $30 by the way. It's pretty good. Got RGB. Speakers, I made a setup video on that too. Basically, almost everything here I got a setup video on. Here's my Blue Snowball mic. I don't have its stand connector on it because stay right here, and I'm probably gonna get like a mount for it. So temporarily I have it down there or else it would interfere between those two monitors, the gap between them. And there I got a lamp. Here I got my phone. And so here's another look at it. A bit of range now. Alright, so yeah, here's my PC. Barely any RGB, but good enough for me. It works really good. Alright, moving on to the other side of the room. Range projector setup right here. Yeah. This projector can display up to, I think, a nice 100-inch screen, and I watch on that practically every night. I got Roku 3 set up with it, and a speaker, Vavoom 20 speaker, $20 speaker. It's convenient. I got my Mac Pro right here. I sometimes use this for laying down and editing on my screen. And yeah, so this is projector. So here, usually, before I used to keep my MacBook Pro on it and then connect it to my projector, but I thought that was pretty useless. Here, motherboard. I know it doesn't have any wrap on it, but it's supposed to just to keep it non-static and stuff, but I don't know. The 460 is in use in my Mac Pro, and there's the R7 370. Some low-profile GT cards, and a ATI card Radeon. RAM and a really old motherboard. Yeah, this is RAM. Got 3 sticks right there. I got 4 sticks in here. Alright. Next is accessories, like cables and stuff. On my headphones, some cables, a mouse, PS4 controller. This is empty. It's cable and my cool pictures, and then these two are empty. It's about the projector setup. For the Mac Pro, I got wireless keyboard and mouse connected to it, so I don't have to get up and stuff. And also I got 2 speakers connected to it so I could hear on my bed correctly, from everywhere. Here's my projector again. It's really dusty, sorry. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and remember to subscribe, leave a like, and comments on what I should change, and your thoughts on my setup. I know cable management, absolute dog shit, what you can say, but yeah. Yeah, so that's practically my setup. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. Also, Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. I probably won't upload until the next 8 months. So, alright, bye guys.